Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all pictures the same size in Affinity Publisher at once. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose some multiple pictures. Select a picture, then press shift on our keyboard to select the multiple image. Then click open and wait some moment. And we can see here show the all images. Then we place one by one. Now we can see we insert all images. Then we want to make this all image the same size. Firstly select the all image, go to the layer option, then select the first image, then press shift on our keyboard and select the last image. Then we can see here we select the multiple image, then go to the transform menu and select the wide right 2 and height 4, then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we make the all image same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.